Here's a look at the tornado warning storm from the Martin supermarket in Granger. Here's a look. It's very dark outside and everything, but yeah, here's a look at it. Here's another view at this little tiny downpour/storm to our southeast. The storm to our southeast actually has a tiny little rainbow, as you can see. Wow, it's beautiful. God is amazing. There is still a tornado warning up in Cassopolis, Michigan, but this is looking at the storm from Granger. And there's lots of severe thunderstorms and stuff there, but hopefully no damage from a tornado, but here's a look from Granger of it. Here is a look to our west right now. I don't believe any more storms tonight, but some could pop up. But just stay weather aware the rest of tonight and also tomorrow for potential tornado outbreak in Indiana and Illinois. So I'll see you then.